Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by confirming prerequisites. Phone with the Snapchat app updated and your login details. Once ready, open Snapchat and tap your profile. Next, hit the settings gear at top right so you can access security options. Make a quick decision now. Use SMS for convenience or an authenticator app for stronger security. I recommend an authenticator. Once you've chosen, scroll to Login Verification to begin the setup flow, and follow prompts to add a verification method. You're now configuring the verification method. If you picked SMS, enter and verify your phone number, then type the 6-digit code Snapchat sends. This ties your device to your account. If you chose an authenticator app, open it, scan the provided QR code, or paste the secret key, then input the generated code to confirm. Make sure to save any recovery or backup codes Snapchat offers, and add an alternate phone number so you can regain access if you lose your primary device. Finish by toggling login verification on and reviewing trusted devices. Once done, test the setup by signing out and signing back in to verify prompts appear. Make sure to store backup codes in a secure place like a password manager or encrypted note. If you run into trouble, don't panic. Common fixes include ensuring your phone's clock is set to automatic time and time zone, rescanning the QR code into your authenticator, or requesting a new SMS code. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.